Buick is diving into the realm of coupe-inspired SUVs with its latest offering, the 2024 Envista. This vehicle is aimed squarely at competing against the likes of the Chevrolet Trax, Mazda CX-30, and Volkswagen Taos, but it brings a more refined and slick design to the table. While high performance and lightning-fast acceleration aren't its main selling points, the Envista presents a turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine generating a modest 136 horsepower, coupled with a smooth operating 6-speed automatic transmission. Designed for urban jaunts rather than off-road escapades, the Envista exclusively offers front-wheel drive. What truly catches the eye about the Envista is its astonishingly reasonable starting price, which dips below the $25,000 mark. Despite its affordability, this SUV boasts an array of attractive features, including an 8.0-inch digital gauge display, automatic high-beam headlights, lane keeping assist, and a commanding 11.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Envista takes its place as an entry-level contender within Buick's lineup, positioned below the Encore GX and Envision SUVs. For those seeking a touch of opulence, the Avenir variant of the Envista stands out with its sophisticated embellishments. Featuring elegant nickel-finished 19-inch wheels and a mesh grille, the Avenir model conveys an air of luxury that belies its price. Nonetheless, it's worth noting that all Envista trims lack the option for all-wheel drive or a more robust engine choice. In contrast to its Chinese counterpart, which embraces a robust 181 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, the North American Envista embraces a more modest 136 horsepower turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine. All models drive power to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Though the Envista offers sprightly acceleration for everyday driving scenarios, it may display a lack of urgency during swift highway overtakes. While its handling lacks the spark of inspiration, the Envista does offer a composed ride, responsive steering, and a reassuringly firm brake pedal. Within the cabin, the Envista carves out sufficient space for 4 occupants, albeit the coupe-inspired roofline slightly encroaches on rear seat headroom. While the interior materials don't ascend to the heights of luxury, they easily outclass competitors such as the Nissan Kicks and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Moreover, the Envista boasts a wealth of convenient features and alluring tech gadgets, headlined by a sizable glass panel housing both an 8.0-inch gauge display and an expansive 11.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. On the dashboard, 2 digital displays take center stage, an 8.0-inch unit dedicated to the gauge cluster and an imposing 11.0-inch touchscreen that governs infotainment functions. Climate controls are distinctly separated, nestled beneath a centrally positioned dash vent. Utilizing Buick's latest software iteration, the Envista elevates convenience with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, along with an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. As far as safety goes, all Envista models roll out with a comprehensive array of driver assistance features, encompassing automatic high-beam headlights and automated emergency braking, with the possibility of more advanced options. While Buick's standard warranty package brings more extensive powertrain coverage compared to rivals, it lags behind the extended terms and 3 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance offered by the Hyundai Kona. Anticipation builds as the all-new Envista readies itself to join Buick's lineup, slated for a summer launch as a 2024 model year vehicle.